Aloha, romantic friends and new visitors. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you have not already done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. I have to apologize in advance because I lost the beginning footage of the video. My camera fell off the tripod and the intro footage got damaged. We will be starting from the point of me mixing the colors for the Candy Apple Brown Sugar Soap. So let's jump right in. So now that we have our colors, we have our red, green, yellow, and white. We're going to do an in a pot swirl with the green and the red inside the yellow pot. And the white we're just going to use on top. So we're going to take our fragrance oil and we're going to pour it into our colors. And we're going to hand stir our colors in. So what I'm doing right now is just pouring a layer of the green first. Okay, so it seems to be thickening up on me once I added the fragrance. Let's get it in the corners, and now we can do the in the pot swirl. And now I'm just mixing up the yellow a bit more because I just added the fragrance. Now this is a fragrance oil called Winter Candy Apple and Brown Sugar mixed with a little essential oil. You'll see my fragrance combination in the description below. And next, what I would like to do is go ahead and plop, because it's really thick, so I'm saying plop, the fragrance in the bucket. It seems to be very thick. See, it's very thick. So what I'm going to do is kind of give it a slight swirl like this in the bucket. Hopefully not muddling, without trying to muddle the colors too much. And then I'm going to pour slightly into my mold. Okay, and since I still have some yellow, red, and green left, I'm gonna plop it in back into my main color, which is yellow. And then we're going to give that a slight swirl as well. Okay, so my soap is actually thickening up very quickly now. So the rest I will have to just kind of plop it on top of my soap here. And the mold that I'm using is actually a mold that I bought from Michael's craft store. So I'm making about 4.5 pounds of soap, and I still got quite a bit left because I still have that white that I need to put on top of this soap. So we're going to see if the mold can stand up to, we're going to see if the mold can hold the 4.5 pounds of soap that I just made. and we still have to put the white on top. So this is going to be quite a bit. So what I probably end up doing is piping the white on top and then adding the apple garnishments or embellishments on top once my piping hardens up. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys on hold and be back and wait until my soap frosting is ready. And then we're gonna pipe the top. So we are going to cut into the candy apple brown sugar soap that we made the other day. And this is actually a new mold that I purchased from Michaels. So this was actually very easy so far to unmold.